Hello everyone and welcome back to MORGBORG Tech. Here is an unboxing of another phone lot. This is two phones and a charger, one flip phone and a smartphone, a Samsung and an HTC. This arrived about a week later than my other lot, otherwise I'd have included it in that video. It ended up getting lost in the mail. Alright, so it looks like it has multiple chargers here. A Motorola charger, looks like for a Razer. I already have one of those. Another charger here for a Samsung, just the small tip there. Here's a smartphone, an HTC on Verizon. I'm not sure of the model on this one, although it looks like an older phone that I might not have the charger for. These both should work. Let's just see what model this is. PB00100. I'm sure I'll find out what model this is later. And here's the other phone. This is a Samsung Hue on Altel. So let's see if these phones turn on here right now. Okay. So it looks like both of these were reset, and this one here is on the setup screen. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, peace.